Good morning slash afternoon. It is 12:25 and we are going on an adventure. Where are we going, Caroline?
Peterborough.
Well, come out the dark. We're going to Peterborough. Let's.
Have you got sunglasses?
Yes, they're in my bag.
My bag.
That one.
This is Sean's bag.
In my bag.
Yes, we're going to Peterborough for the Reeves Family Adventures barbecue. We were meant to be there at 1 and it's 12:30 and it takes us an hour and a bit to get there. Oops.
Oopsie, we best go.
We are rubbish at timings. We get up with get up early with all the intentions and then end up just sitting around, and we don't know how it happens, but just because we sit around. I blame Sean.
Blame me. Okay, see you in Peterborough. Bye. We are here.
I would have complained about that as well if I had got his registration plate.
We are here in the Heath, whatever Meadows Park this is.
Meadows.
And it's been the journey of hell.
Yeah.
We missed the train because a lazy train conductor in Finsbury Park couldn't be bothered to get out of his carriage to tell us that the platform had changed. And
we just got a black cab which had a sign on the outside which said contactless available here. Dropped us off. And I said, we've got contactless, and he said, I don't take car payments.
So we've literally given all of our shrapnel, and he shouted at us because we didn't say that we're going to pay by card,
yeah.
Even though it's...
You need to tell me if you're paying by card. When did you tell me? Where does it say outside my cab that it's card? So it says Visa outside. You didn't tell me. It's like, well, we've given you all our money. He said, you're £1 short. It's like, we have no money.
Silly, silly man. Anyway, let's go find some friends.
Oh, dear me.
And possibly get some barbecue food. Oh, what a great start.
Sure we don't leave anything in that cab because we'd never see it again with that man.
Exactly. Yeah, we have decided that this is the best advert, Caroline's just said it, the best advert for us getting a car, because everything that could have gone wrong today went wrong.
Because of transport.
Because of transport. An hour journey turned into 2 hours, and then we were shouted at by a taxi man. Loving life.
I'd rather pay extra money for a car.
Exactly, and now we've just got to figure out where everyone is. So we're walking around this lovely place, full of dogs. Caroline's in her element. We think we have arrived. God, there's a whole herd of them, isn't there?
You're threatening from here. You went through the window. You don't need to do anymore.
It's true.
That's it.
If only we had the camera for that, that would have been great. Legs. Wow, it's quite well done, Sean. It's quite well done.
Yeah, and I was hoping that something would be a bit more dramatic there.
On fire or something.
Are you trying to get your friend out?
You did this.
I did this.
You did this.
This guy is still alive. We'll let him out after he's learnt his lesson.
Having a time out.
Yeah, time out on the wasp. Hi, Sarah. And there's everyone. And look at this little...
He's going to look over the sausages.
Hello. What's her name?
Bella.
Bella. This is a perfect time to show you who is all here.
Yeah.
Bye, Bob! I just realised that
I'll hold it then, shall I? Brilliant.
So just look at... Hold on.
You dressed up to...
Magical.
Perfect. Anyone else? Just me.
I like the use of the name Sean as well.
Sean.
Yeah,
your label.
Sean.
I actually keep getting you two confused, so that was really helpful. Everyone's congregating.
Just going to hold this
Oh, a
down.
little angle, look at that. Party. Jaunty. It's jaunty.
Where's the fast queuing?
India. India.
Be next.
That's right.
I'm not in a rush. Let's go around so we can actually get them.
Isn't it?
Hi, Lisa.
Hello. Yeah, not bad.
Yes.
Short range. Sky to breathe.
You did make contact.
I almost got. Oh no. Because he's filming me.
Yes.
Too hard.
Yours. Not yours.
No.
That was definitely your side, I'm afraid.
For adjudication.
You bounce on the dark.
Do you want some music?
Yeah! You walk it over and you're like, boom!
I can't keep up with that, isn't
You can see them. It's not coming out.
It's gonna kill us. Oh!
They went for the road.
The breadstick challenge.
Who can eat their 2 breadsticks the quickest?
Ready?
On your marks, get set, go. Oh wow, Becca.
Oh my god.
Did I practice?
Chew!
On the mouth.
Quicker! Just like a rabbit. Wow. She's got a big gob. Swallow, swallow, swallow.
Go on, Sarah.
Oh.
Concentration.
I think Sarah has it.
This looks like it's gonna be a draw. So boring. No, no! No throwing up!
Becca's joking. Becca, where is the
You've done this to me twice today, Dougie. You looked at me when I got food out. I was like, no.
So much attention. She must love it.
It's like a party room.
So we are currently in the Beefeater that is near, what park were we at today? In Peterborough, where we had all the fun and we saw Damien doing his slut dropping and all sorts. And we have, to our right, we have these guys over here, all waving for the vlog. Great. Perfect.
Actually, I don't like you. You stole Simon.
Yeah, I stole Becca's waiter. He now loves me instead of her.
I don't want your sex chips.
We're having chips and a few drinks, and then we're off home. And just like that, we're home again. The journey was so much better than when we went, because as you would have known, the journey was a bit of an annoyance, let's put it nicely, when we went out. But we had a great day. We met some great people that we've only ever seen on our TV, which was great. Great. We are now in a very echoey room. As you can see, there's pretty much nothing behind me except for a table. We've moved all of the chairs next door because we were mopping the floor. We just haven't brought everything back. We are now going to have some noodles and might put some peas in it. Who knows? Anyway, I'm gonna start cooking these. It's about 11:30, so we can eat these and go to bed. Get Keeva back tomorrow. She's been at Caroline's parents for since Wednesday. We got some stories to tell you about her. Oh, voila. And what are you adding, Caroline?
Chili flakes.
So these are hot and spicy noodles with peas and chili flakes.
I don't know how spicy that could erupt my face. Boobaloo. This is just for you.
Just for you. We're going to collect Keeva.
Let's see what she... Oh, good. She's...
Keeva! She's like, forgotten you, don't know who you are.
Oh, it's been ages, she says. Who the hell are you?
I've made my home here.
Yes, she bloody well has as well. Remember me? Remember me? You haven't seen that fuss. She knows
Well, first thing you come down in the morning.
Have you done any accidents today?
Yeah, everything.
So we've realised we've come round to Caroline's parents to take Keeva home. She's found the sofa. She enjoys that. And as we came in, I had to cut it off earlier, but there was paper all over the floor because
Madam, who keeps on eating all the birdseed and subsequently keeps pooing herself.
indeed there's pots of poo out in the garden that Caroline's mum has covered. And let's say waits until they dry out a bit so she can pick them up.
Ugh, so gross.
So gross. But she's coming home.
Excuse me, sorry.
She's been on holiday. Well, we've got all of her stuff in this lovely little old woman's trolley and bags, and now we're going to have to make our way home. Oh, the laziness.
Come on. Oh, you better do it so we both leave the room.
Okay, bye Keeva. Enjoy. Stay here. Look at this.
Quite the expert now.
She's mastered the stairs.
Roast dinner. Dog's dinner. Tiny bit of water in there. She's still a bit unwell, so not too much wet food. Ba-dum, ba-dum, da-dum. Ah, no. Stay. Sit. Stay.
And there we have a finished roast dinner. Roast dinner. This is Caroline's. She won't eat it all.
Yes, I will.
Yeah, right. But it's on her plate. I kind of cooked too much, so we have loads of veg left and load of stuff in and potato that just flaked off. I clearly thought I was feeding for an army. Anywho, that's mine. Caroline wanted me to film this just to prove a point.
Oh,
Please, sir, can I have some more? Ugh, that was not needed. So, it's getting near the end of what I can only assume to be an incredibly weird vlog. We've just taken Keeva out for her last walk. She's still got, not a nice light, she's still got a sickly stomach, to put it nicely. So I'm just about to show you the lengths we've had to go to make sure she doesn't do her business on the floor. So we've taken up the mat, there's cardboard here, and then there's newspapers that have been blown by the wind. But there you go, all the way around here. Knowing our luck, she'll probably do it there. But
I don't think she'll do it near her bed though. We'll obviously put her down anyway. And we usually give her a treat when she comes back from a walk, because she's got an upset stomach. I don't want to give her too much random food. I want to give her plain stuff. So we're going to give her some porridge.
yeah.
In a minute, but she wants a treat. It's like, I can't give you a treat because you've eaten 15 bags of bird seeds, mealworms, something else, and tadpole food. God knows what else.
Made yourself sick.
Yeah, so
Silly girl. I think that is the end of this weekend vlog. We had a great time in Peterborough. Journey wasn't great. Journey home was fine, but the barbecue itself was great. Met some lovely people. And today has been not a lot. What has today been?
Nothing really, getting Keeva back.
Getting Keeva back.
And finding she's pooing herself.
There we said it. We said it.
The word poo.
We said the word poo on our vlogs. Anywho, we shall see you next week and see you later, Caroline.
Bye.
Bye.
Peace out. Anytime, Dad.
Yeah.